Hey, welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about Omi. I'm not really looking to buy Omi right now. I want to tell you my levels, the criteria before I buy it, and why it's important to wait right now. This is a very important trap that the market's trying to do. And if you are on the wrong side of this move, you're going to get destroyed. So guys, this video is very important if you're looking to buy Omi. And if you guys do like these type of videos, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. The first thing I'm doing is I'm using the daily time frame with the VWAP on the monthly. Why am I doing that? I want to see the overall bias, the trend. What is the directional bias of the trend and how it's going to give us a heads up on what the price is trying to do. So the VWAP is in the middle right here. It is the blue line, and price is really much attracted to that structure, and that is fair price. That's why when price went up there, we seen that sell towards the downside because everybody had a fair price and they didn't really believe in the project. That's why a lot of sellers came in and struck the price down, which is a great sign if you are looking to buy more Omi token. Now, the first thing I want you to notice, if price holds above this structure, we could start to see that push towards the VWAP, and that is a great percentage right there. But if prices close below, and we do see a red bearish candle, and we're in the bottom bands, guys, this is a sign that we're seeing another downwards movement of a continuation towards the downside. Is this a bad thing? Of course, it's a bad thing when it comes to momentum. This is a bad thing when a lot of people are seeing the failure and the projection of the project, and they're saying to themselves, why am I in this token in the first place? Guys, overall, if you are a trader, you're already making a lot of money in and out of the market. If you are an investor, I understand this is a hard time. And let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to make a video on the goods and the bads and why I think fundamentally it might be sound or why it might not be. So if you guys do like that type of idea, please let me know in the comments below. But let's get right into this video. So now, why am I waiting for the market? It's very simple, guys. We're going to use some kind of volume, and we're going to be using our footprints, the ones that are being provided on TradingView. So right here, guys, we are using these footprints to see orders in the market to kind of judge what the idea is. You can see the attentions of this red candle. You can see a lot of sellers with high volume wanting to sell the price because why? We came into fair price. So fair price means a lot of people understood that if I want to get out of the market, this is where I want to do so. Once we see the fair price, prices went down, but that's not the big problem. A lot of people are starting to say, hey, the price is going down. Is it ever going to go up? Well, guys, you got to understand there is some big whales in the market, understanding that the project will hold. You see this level on the bottom right here? We have 88. That is huge amount of buyers holding this level specifically to tell us, hey, price can absolutely go up. What I'm looking for is follow through in the market. So follow through is defined by seeing that the value of the buyers getting filled with the candle. Right here, this is not follow through, right? If you guys notice, this candle right here is not a follow through. The buyers are pushing, but the sellers with less amount of people are doing more than the buyers that are pushing. That means, guess what? We have a hidden level or a hidden seller looking to push the price every single time that the buyers try to push up. Now, if I'm looking to buy the market, I want to see price close above, and I want to see these buyers not getting rejected. I want to see them getting filled. I want to see the contracts getting filled. And I love to see sellers on the bottom getting filled to show me that the sellers are losing overall and the buyers are picking up. Now, if you notice what I'm showing you here, we have such a huge demonstration of sellers demolishing this level. This is my criteria. I am not looking for any specific trading plan or idea until I see this structure getting broken. So guys, write that number down, 0.00031,867. If I do not see that level getting broken and I don't see a nice follow through, and of course, guys, I want to see volume, where the volume is located throughout the candle. So in order to do that, I can also simply put my volume profile. In my volume profile, we can see that this is my POC level, and it's going to be a tough challenge for the buyers to break above that level. If we do break above this level, it's small moves, guys. We're taking small profits towards the next zone, and after we break that, we're going to go towards the next POC, towards the VWAP. And that's the great probability that we're looking for. So you have to be realistic with your goals. Price might not go all the way up. It needs to break above the structure, break above the low volume, then you're going to see that move towards the VWAP to get that confirmation. The good news is there is a lot of traders that I know personally that are already in a specific trade here. They're banking on the fact that this buyer on the bottom is going to protect us from going lower. So that is the crucial area. So they're putting this together. They're saying the buyers are holding this level and price is failing to go lower. But when you look at this level, there was really no sellers getting rejected. It was sellers getting completed. So because of that, the sellers are actually in an upper hand. The buyers, on the other hand, are failing. You could see there's a wick here for a reason, and we have so much buyers looking to push the price, but the sell wall is telling us otherwise. You are foolish if you start to buy the market right now. Right now, I would not look to buy until prices break above the structure. Once we see that break and a nice follow through, guys, this candle needs to be completed all the way towards the top. I don't want to see a wick rejection. If I do see that, guess what, guys? This move on the left can absolutely happen again. So this is that criteria that we're looking for. And if we do go towards the blue line and we break above the blue line and then we break above the next blue line, that is that uptrend that we're looking for. Right now, there's a lot of struggles in the market. And the beautiful thing when you're looking at this on the bigger scale, take a look at this. A lot of sellers right here on this candle. And once we took over this candle with all these sellers, guess what, guys? That's where the pump happened. So think about it logically. If we took over these sellers and we broke above and the pump happened, if we break above these sellers, what do you think the market wants to do? So if that alone doesn't get you excited that we're going to see another move up, if prices do break that, then you might not be into the trading idea, or you're not really willing to understand what trading is all about. Guys, once again, all these sellers failed, high volume of sellers. Once we broke above, the huge pump happened, and we're expecting that same pump. We're finally getting that move, the rally, guys. Now we're starting to see prices traveling towards the upside. In order to do that, we need to eliminate, or we need to have specific sellers trapped. In order to sell it to someone, you have to have a buyer. And in order to have a buyer, you must have a seller. So once again, these sellers were taken out. Prices got taken out right there. Explosion. So I'm expecting if prices get taken out here, we're expecting price to actually continue towards the upside. It's all about how this candle performs, how it ends, how it's going to form by the end of the day. And guess what? You have a lot of opportunity to make so much money on Omi, and I want the best for you guys. So guys, if you like this type of video and you want to see more about Bitcoin and other things, please let me know in the comments below. Other than that, thank you so much. Take it easy, and John out. Peace.